The story of Elon Musk is almost too incredible to believe. Now his sights are set even further afield, colonizing Mars.
Elon Musk's vision to colonize Mars is a multifaceted and ambitious plan that has garnered significant attention and speculation. He envisions establishing a self-sustaining city on the Red Planet, with the goal of making humanity a multi-planet species. This vision was revealed through various sources, including articles and official statements from SpaceX. Musk's Mars colonization plan involves the following key points. City on Mars. Elon Musk envisions building a full-size city on the surface of Mars. This city would not be limited to scientists and researchers. Regular people interested in moving to Mars could also become inhabitants. Individuals could potentially pay for their journey to Mars with loans, and then work in various sectors, such as iron foundries or pizzerias, to pay off their debts. This city would have the freedom to govern itself, a notion suggested by the terms and conditions of SpaceX's Starlink internet service. This concept, however, raises questions regarding the compatibility of such autonomy with existing space treaties, like the 1967 Outer Space Treaty. Self-sufficiency. Musk's plan envisions creating a self-sustaining city on Mars. To achieve this, it's estimated that around 1 million tons of cargo would be required. Considering the projected cost of sending cargo to Mars using SpaceX's upcoming Starship, this endeavor could potentially cost around $100 billion to $10 trillion, depending on various factors. The plan could involve utilizing local Martian resources, such as water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2, to refuel spacecraft and sustain the inhabitants. Expansion and multi-city. While the initial focus might be on establishing a single city on Mars, SpaceX has hinted at the possibility of expanding to multiple cities. This expansion would transform Mars from an outpost to a larger base and eventually into a village, town, and then multiple cities, with the goal of creating a sustainable and thriving Martian civilization. Motivation and inspiration. Elon Musk's overarching motivation for this Mars colonization endeavor is to ensure the survival of humanity as a multi-planet species. He has repeatedly stressed the importance of humanity becoming multiplanetary in order to mitigate the risks associated with life-ending events on Earth. Musk believes that such endeavors inspire people and contribute to a future that excites and drives humanity forward. Timeline and challenges. Initially, there were expectations that humans would reach Mars by the mid-2020s. However, Musk's more recent statement suggests that the presence of astronauts on Mars might become a reality around 2029. The challenging nature of Mars's landscape, with obstacles such as dust accumulation on solar panels and Martian rocks impacting missions, has highlighted the complexities of such a colonization mission. In summary, Elon Musk's plan to colonize Mars involves building a self-sustaining city on the planet's surface, open to regular individuals who could contribute to its development and growth. This ambitious endeavor aims to make humanity a multi-planet species, thereby ensuring its long-term survival and inspiring future generations. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the vision of a thriving city on Mars continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide. SpaceX rocket landing Mars. The SpaceX Mars program represents an ambitious and visionary endeavor aimed at enabling the colonization of Mars. Led by entrepreneur Elon Musk, SpaceX's Mars program is driven by the belief that establishing a human presence on the Red Planet is crucial for the long-term survival of our species. This initiative not only captures the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts, but also holds significant potential for advancing space exploration and interplanetary travel. The program's primary focus is on the development of the SpaceX Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry both crew and cargo. This spacecraft, along with its powerful companion, the Super Heavy booster, is at the forefront of SpaceX's efforts to realize the dream of landing rockets on Mars. The SpaceX Mars program is part of a broader strategy to make space travel more cost-effective and accessible, with the goal of reducing space transportation costs to make Mars travel a realistic possibility. Elon Musk's involvement in Mars colonization dates back to 2001, when he first presented his vision as a member of the Mars Society's board of directors. SpaceX's early designs included various concepts for delivering payloads and crews to Mars, demonstrating the company's commitment to developing the necessary technology for interplanetary travel. Over the years, these designs evolved, leading to the formal proposal of the SpaceX Mars plan in 2016, which included the concept of a fully reusable launch vehicle called the Interplanetary Transport System. This launch vehicle proposal was later refined and renamed as Starship, marking a significant milestone in the program's development. The SpaceX Mars program envisions utilizing public-private partnerships and early missions involving fleets of Starship spacecraft to lay the foundation for infrastructure on Mars. The ultimate goal is to establish a self-sustaining colony, allowing for the growth of the human presence on Mars over many decades. While the program has faced criticisms related to its feasibility and financing, it has also garnered immense interest and support from those captivated by the idea of humanity becoming a multiplanetary species. In conclusion, the SpaceX Mars program represents a groundbreaking initiative that aims to make rocket landing on Mars a reality. With the development of the Starship spacecraft and a focus on reducing launch costs and establishing the necessary infrastructure, SpaceX is taking significant steps towards achieving the long-standing dream of human colonization on Mars. This program not only showcases human innovation and determination, but also highlights the potential of science and technology to transcend the boundaries of our home planet. SpaceX's Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket. SpaceX's Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket constitute a groundbreaking project in the realm of space exploration and travel. These two entities working in the promise of revolutionizing our capacity for interplanetary travel and exploration. The Starship spacecraft, a central component of SpaceX's ambitious vision, stands as a testament to human innovation and determination. With its towering height of 120 meters and a massive liftoff mass of 5,000 metric tons, the Starship spacecraft is set to become the largest and most powerful rocket ever flown. Equipped with the innovative Raptor rocket engines, which utilize a full-flow staged combustion power cycle and burn a mixture of liquid methane and liquid oxygen, the Starship is designed for both suborbital and orbital spaceflight, as well as interplanetary travel. Its towering capabilities surpass even renowned rockets like NASA's Space Launch System and Saturn V. The spacecraft features a payload capacity of up to 150 tons to low Earth orbit, making it a pivotal component for delivering significant payloads to various destinations. Notably, it holds the potential to carry an astonishing 250 tons when used in an expendable configuration. Starship's design also emphasizes reusability, allowing for controlled landings and rapid relaunches that could reshape the landscape of space travel. Complementing the Starship spacecraft is the Super Heavy rocket, the first stage booster designed to provide the initial thrust required for the spacecraft's journey. With a height of 69 meters and a diameter of 9 meters, the Super Heavy is equipped with a total of 33 Raptor engines, each contributing to its maximum thrust of 74.5 million newtons. This immense power enables the Super Heavy to lift its massive gross mass of 3,600 metric tons, setting the stage for the subsequent ascent of the Starship spacecraft. Like its counterpart, the Super Heavy is also designed for reusability, featuring controlled landings that will facilitate its rapid turnaround for subsequent missions. The Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket are crucial components of SpaceX's long-term strategy for space exploration and colonization. Elon Musk's vision, rooted in the idea of enabling human settlement on Mars, is intrinsically tied to the capabilities of these vehicles. The iterative development approach that SpaceX has employed involves rigorous testing and incremental improvements to the prototypes. While the journey has not been without challenges, such as the setback experienced during the first orbital test flight, SpaceX remains committed to advancing this ambitious project. Ultimately, the Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket represent the culmination of human ingenuity, engineering prowess, and a relentless pursuit of exploration beyond Earth's boundaries. As these vehicles continue to evolve and undergo testing, they hold the potential to shape the course of space travel for generations to come, paving the way for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos.